Wake up MI5 and notify them that we have an imminent threat.
Greetings, culture lovers and citizens of the World Wide Web. I, the Great Gonzo, with my PPP Orchestra, that's Pitch Perfect Poultry, will now present to you a little something we like to call Free Range Strauss. Are you ready, girls? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, come on!
Imitations of the kid that's out there hit them with the tech. Imitations of the kid, so we hit them with the
I move like water, I go with the flow. I go back to old school, I go back to Rome. But this is not history, it's the start of the show. Never worry, that is the way that I roll. I'm a bad man. What is it? Let me say again. You can try copy like a slave to a trend. Nothing they can say and nothing they can do. It's no problem for me, but it's a problem for you. No problem for me, but it's a problem for you.